Right behind me is a street called Bui Vien. Now this is the main nightlife street in Saigon, in Ho Chi Minh City. What I do want to do is show you the main area and take a walk down the strip, because on my way back from the museum I passed through this area earlier and well, there's only one way to describe it, and that is absolutely mental. Okay, so we're going to go in there, we're going to take a little walk down the street, I'm going to show you as much as I can, and it's Bui Vien. So when you come to Saigon, if you come to Ho Chi Minh City, this is the place to go. Now this strip has a very similar vibe to the nightlife area in Hanoi. I did do a nightlife video in Hanoi, and basically everybody sits out the front on these little seats and drinks. You can go inside, but it's a very unique Vietnamese kind of setup. No point me really even trying to talk to you, because you're not going to be able to hear anything that's coming out of my mouth. It's so loud. Okay, we're just coming out the end of the street, so it's a really long street. There's got to be dozens and dozens of clubs and bars along there. And that woman at that Station 1, oh my goodness, that singer is absolutely insane. She's so good. If you're coming, you've got to go in that bar and hear her. She's incredible. And just as we come up this end of the street, there is just a bunch of restaurants and stuff, bakeries. So I'm guessing, you know, you can come out on a night out, and then as you pour out at the end of the road, you can stop here and get yourself a kebab or some Vietnamese food or whatever. So yeah, that's the main nightlife area in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. It's pretty wild. I mean, the only thing I can think that compares to that would be Walking Street in Pattaya, maybe. But it's nowhere near as loud and as crazy as that. I kind of like this because, you know, in Pattaya you walk down Walking Street and it's just like, just constant, like fucking they're on you all the time. Here it's kind of cool, you know, you can walk down, don't get hassled so much. You do get hassled a little bit at the entrances and the exits, by the way. If you want to get hassled, I suppose you could. But yeah, that's the nightlife in Saigon, guys. Definitely worth checking out if you're coming to Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. I keep calling it Saigon, but it's Ho Chi Minh City. I don't know what to call it. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to know more about Vietnam, if you want to know more about my travels here, then head on over to Nomad School, join my online community. You can click here to join up, and also you can click here to watch my upcoming videos. It's been a long day. I'm about ready to go home and go to bed. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.